Do you want your images to be created as action figures and that too with motion like that every other person is posting on internet? Then you can literally create it in a minute to catch up with the trend. Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in today's video, let's catch up with the trend and create some amazing photo arts using AI. So let's get started. So first of all, open up your ChatGPT, and here you don't need a subscription, a paid subscription. You can use it with the free version too. Upload a picture of yours, then add the prompt from the pinned comment to it. You can customize it how you want it to look like, the back cover color, name, design, or the props inside it with you. Then wait for a while and the results will be there. Now download this image and let's move on to another AI tool where we'll add up the motions to it. Just go to Hailuo AI, upload the picture you generated, and then choose the other prompt from the pinned comment, or simply type the character emerges from its toy box and start moving ahead. As it walks, the camera gradually pulls back, keeping the pace with the movement and motion. And click here to get your final result. And guys, this video is still not over yet. We all have been using the ChatGPT for creating Studio Ghibli arts a few days back. But do you know you can create more artworks using the same ChatGPT and set your own trend? Like, you can give the prompt to create Lego bricks image, Claymation image, Manga art image, pixel art image, or surprise me image, and post them on your social media to be the next trendsetter. And that's all in this video. If you find this quick tutorial useful and informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. And I'll be back with some more AI tips and tricks, and I'll meet you in the next one.